Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how you can make money on Binance for free. So all you just need to do is to have a verified Binance account. Okay, if you have a verified Binance account, your interface will be something of this nature. Let me go back so that you clearly get it. So if you just log in, your interface will be something of this very nature. So all you need to do, navigate yourself to the top left hand side. Navigate yourself to the top left hand side. Okay. To the top left hand side here. Okay. Then you just click on there. Okay. So as you click on this place, all you just need to do is to roll down to search for what we call a launch pool or a launch pad. Okay. Let's see where is it. So you look for launch pool and click on it. Okay. So we're using this launch pad. Okay. So the next thing that you just need to do is to click on the launch pad. Okay. It says patient, it will open. So the moment the launch pad is open, this is exactly what you see. So in this very place, you'll be able to earn a lot of coin without you trading. Okay. You earn a lot of coin without you trading. Okay. So all you just need to do is to look at those coins and check for which one you can stake. So the coin here that you can stake here that are available here is currently 2. Okay, you can see this portal, which is the first one, right? You can see this first one. You see this portal. So this one is open for farming. Okay, you can as well see this FDUSD. You can stake this FDUSD. You can as well see the BNB pool. You can stake this BNB pool. Okay, so before you stake anything here, I would like to tell you what you stand to gain, the potential profit you stand to gain here. Okay, if you stake any of those coins, you will be given some percentage. Okay, what is available here for sharing? Let's see. This is roughly 50 million, right? 50 million coin here is available to share. And the only way you can participate here, the only way you can earn from this is when you participate in the farming. That's the only way you can gain this. Okay, and you can see the farming period is what? Is 7 days. This is the farming period. And the time until farming ends is here. You can see the time until farming ends. That is 17 hours 49 minutes until farming ends. And if you take your farming today, it will last for what? For 7 days before the coin is released. Okay, so after these 7 days, your coin will be released. Okay, after the 7 days, your coin will be released, and the profit percentage that you are given for free, okay, will be released as well. So on this occasion, you can sell your coin and also make a profit. But before you stick, if I would like to advise you to stick a stable coin so that the coin you stick will not fall down by the time you are done with the farming. Okay, so if you are sticking BNB, make sure you have a BNB on your wallet, on your funding wallet, or your spot wallet, anywhere. So, and if you are sticking FDUSD, make sure you have FDUSD. Okay, make sure you have